Hi guys, it's Janet Wakeland with RemarkablyCreated.com. In today's One Take Wonder video, I want to introduce you to the fun new box that can be found in the, oh my gosh, here we go, Lots to Love box framelits. So we're going to go ahead and put one of these boxes together for you, and I'll show you some variations. This box is actually designed to hold the new long, narrow notes. They'll fit perfectly inside of this box. And when finished, the box is approximately 5 inches by 3 inches and about 1/2 inch deep. So you're going to need to cut 2 pieces from this, and it does cut and score at the same time. So we've got our 2 pieces cut out with our Painted with Love designer papers, and it is already scored. So I can just go ahead and work my creases just a little bit. You're going to find that the box scores 2 long creases on each side. It has scores for the tab. It has 2 scores up here. So when it's scoring, it creates 2 tabs, 2 long scores, and then 2 up here on the tab. And let's work the other one. I just like to work my creases both ways so that they fall in nicely when I'm getting ready to use them. Okay, so I've got my 2 pieces. When we adhere them, you're going to work with them like this so that there's 1 tab up and 1 tab down. And I'm going to be using the tear and tape adhesive that was just on my desk 2 seconds ago. Oh my goodness gracious. The adhesive that I use all the time, and it is nowhere to be found. There it is. It was tucked way back in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take my tear and tape, and I'm going to put it all the way out here on the very edge because I want those edges to seal up nice. And then I'll go ahead and I'm going to put a second line right down alongside it. And it's nice because this tape is narrow enough that I'm going to be able to get 2 lines in because I want this box to be secure. They're going to open it a couple of times and, you know, ooh and ah over the gift, the money, whatever it is that you've put inside. So you want it to be sturdy. So we've got 2 lines of adhesive. And let's go ahead and remove our backing now so that we have this ready to go. Now there are some other elements that I could have created, like a little notch if I wanted to on the boxes and things like that to make it, you know, a little easier to get your fingers in. I'm just doing the very basic box assembly for you at this point. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the first box and I'm going to just lay it right down on. I need those tabs beyond. So I laid it just below the tabs. And then I find if I fold this in and just bring this over, it lines up nice and easy for me. And now I can pop it up and I've got my very basic box happening. And I can go ahead and put my lid inside. And just like that. So now let's go ahead and let's embellish this. I have the dahlia that was die cut with our gold foil paper. And I love the gold foil that's part of this Painted with Love. And then the silver foil that is part of the Sweet Soiree specialty paper. I have a heart from our Sweet and Sassy framelits. And the amazing cut from the Celebrate You Thinlits that will be available as a free gift with $100 purchase during celebration. You're going to love those framelits. And then I can go ahead and I can finish it off with a little bit of our gold and rose trim that is part of this new suite as well too. And I can either use it to tie the box totally shut, or I can just go ahead and add just a sweet little extra bit to it, and we'll put our little bow on there. So here you can see the trim and all that got our box. I'll bring this one back in. This one uses the birthday hat, and you're going to want to come back and see the video that we do with the birthday hat. I've got some great fun for you with that one. Here is another one that uses a birthday hat, but I call it a little bit more older or mature box. This is kind of fun and peppy, and then we've got a little bit more stepped up. This will also be fun for a wedding as well. And then we did one with the gold Surrey paper for you. And this one was really fun. All of the framelets from the Sweet Surrey bundle, work really well together. And then this little element at the top that I used to create the tag is actually a tag, and it looks really nice just popping up over the top of the cake. So I'll go ahead and put these pictures all up on my blog for you so that you have that information. And remember that this box debuts on January 3rd as part of our spring catalog. So be looking for this box. You're going to have a lot of fun with it and find a lot of fun things to put in it and ways to decorate it. Thanks, guys.